forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget our Pro Surprise giveaway. You have a bit more time to enter. Our links to the videos are down below. We love listening to our subscribers, so we will have a LOL surprise card and squishy card in this video. Let's get ready to open. Pygmy Pop! Do you guys like Pygmy Pop? See what's in here? A lanyard! This is so cute! Next one! Oh my gosh! Wow, look at this one, you guys! I love the color! There's two! Let's open it! Oh my gosh! This is so shiny and sparkly! Here's the next plush! Another one! Look how adorable they are, guys! We have a super set, you guys! We have Tumbles the puppy and Miska the kitten. Which one do you like, the puppy or the kitten? These Pygmy Pops are so cool. Let me know if you want a Pygmy Pop surprise card. Let's open another one. Squish Delish. These are the new Tsum Tsum edition squishies. Let me know which one is your favorite. We have Mike from Monsters Inc. This is so cute. This is really soft. On Instagram, we opened Ariel. Let's open our next surprise. Confetti Pop. Let's pop it open in 3, 2, 1. Let's see who we get, guys. I like this dress. Wow, this is so cool. This is a cool water bottle. It matches with the dress. Whoa, she is so cool. Look how cute she is. Comment down below what her name should be. Little sisters. Let's open the blind bag. We got a bag. I like the design on it. It matches her big sis. Look how cute she is. I'm so excited for you guys to name them. Let's open another surprise. Glitter series. Lights, camera, action. Excited yet? Most there. We got center stage. I love her glittery dress. Who's your favorite from the glitter series? Let's take a break and take out our squishy card. A banana. The random squishy winner is a LOL Charmfin. I like the color. colors. It's all done. We have a cake charm in the shape of a heart. LOL surprise pet! Our LOL surprise car is coming up. Play it cool. We got a gold ball. Puppy! I already have Puppy. I will save this one for a giveaway. Alright, here was our flash giveaway. And the random winner is... time for our LOL surprise card. Who thinks we need a bigger card? And our random winner is... by the way, guys, I have another surprise. We hope you guys like these. Let us know what custom LOL doll you want us to make. Let me know what our giveaway should be. When we reach 100,000 subscribers, next week we are gonna have another huge surprise for you guys.